Today unboxing is on Schuco latest release, the VW T3 camper bus in 1/64 scale. I have a couple of Volkswagen bus from Schuco, and this T3 camper bus is a love at first sight. The T3 is presented with a standard packaging, just like any other Schuco release, quite a heavy casting, standard details behind and also on the base. Wow, very nice and detailed casting for this 1979 T3 camper bus. Nice details on the grille, headlights, and also on the VW printed logo. The T3 is a very popular camper van back then, and now it has become a collectible. Realistic wheel sets without any suspension that rolls extremely well, and I really like all these fine details, such as even the drape in the interior, which Schuco took the effort to add it in. Rear light is in plastic, together with the VW and the camping label. The Joker model falls under one of the T3 variant. The Joker marking is there, although it's quite muted against the medium blue background. The plastic base has some decent details, including the painted parts, and also a spare wheel that is integrated with the base. Although this early production T3 has a sort of a boxy look on it, I really love it. I think it's really unique, and kudos to Schuco for producing this casting. Stay tuned for more Schuco unboxing. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.